We have here a wood train set. We're gonna go ahead and open this up so we can take everything out and have some fun.
What is it?
Let's see.
What?
Oh, look at all the pieces. So it does come with this piece of paper here that shows you kind of a generic way you can set this up. So we're going to go ahead and do this so we can have some fun with it.
What? You're crazy.
So we got these pieces assembled. Super easy. You just put in the supports and the tops with the bottoms. Wait, bud, wait.
Choo choo. Choco choo choo. Choco choo.
So now I got the train track assembled. Made this fun little pattern that they have here on the piece of paper. Now we're just going to put in some of the decorations to finish it off. So we got everything done. We got all the decorations added, the people added, the train's all set up. Now we get to have some fun. What?
It's a choo-choo train coming.
Go around.
Dad.
What? No, he's going his own way.
Go follow me.
Oh, okay, I'll follow you.
You stuck.
Oh.
Up here.
Oh, back on there, okay.
We're tearing there. Made in the bridge. Good.
Oh.
Dad, you follow me.
What? I have to follow? No.
Dad, you follow me, okay?
I'm following you. See?
Dad, you follow
Okay.
yourself.
Okay, you go.
Me. You.
This wooden train set is super fun. It's easy to assemble and build.
It's doing
It's got lots of different things you can do. It's got this fun police car, the train, even this fun little helicopter, so you can have fun with your kids for a long time.
it.